Yeah, hey, what the heck? We're just making friends out here. Look at that. Good morning.
Good morning.
Dave Stahl, look at that.
Hey,
Live
hey,
like
are we
that.
rocking?
Live TV, baby.
Hey, you're talking. The Rod Knockers are in the house.
The Rod Knockers.
That's right.
I love the name. What does it mean? Who is it? What?
Beats me. Let's find somebody
Yeah.
that knows. Where is somebody that knows? Who's
What is a
speaking
Rod
today?
Knocker?
How you doing, bud?
Is that like the Rod?
Are you on air? No. Who do we mic up?
Over here.
Over here.
These two guys.
Well,
That's
then
all right,
tell
Dave.
us about it.
Yeah, so what the heck is the Rod Knocker?
We are a local car club,
Yeah.
and everybody, we're all friends from high school.
Oh, nice.
So in our, it's starting to be our mid-30s.
Yeah.
And now we're being able to afford the things that we always wanted to do.
How cool is that?
Wow.
But what's Rod Knocker?
Oh, it's just a car club name. You have
Is it like the rods in your engine?
Yes,
that
you
knock,
have
like,
a connecting rod and then a knock. So
I hate it when
You can tell he's
see-
never had an engine throw a rod or
yeah.
spin a bearing, or because that's where the name Rod Knockers came from.
Nah, dude. Our
Did you have that?
Our Volvo station wagon, we forgot to put oil in it.
You were waiting for the red light, right?
The red light was on.
Oh, I got you. And you ignored it.
That's how much
What
I
is
knew.
that light on? Jeez.
I don't know, man. What's going? Here, let me cover
Oh, yeah.
that. There you go. There you go, buddy.
Don't mind me.
Anyway, so you
I'll
guys.
stand
Now,
over
did
here.
you guys go to did you have car shop together in high school or something?
Not necessarily.
No?
We just all
And you guys all
Like
hung out
cars.
together? That's really cool.
actually, Ron and I lived together when we were children. So
No kidding.
yeah.
Like bros.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, there's a
Like
really
some-
old guy way over there. I don't know. Is that guy in your high school too? That one over there by that rat
Yeah,
rod?
it took him a while to
picked him up on the way
graduate.
here.
Oh, I got you. You liked third grade, didn't you?
Listen, we understand. Not everybody's built the same. Okay. So, good morning to you, young lady.
Good morning.
Hey, what's
How
your
are
name?
you?
I'm good. April?
April.
Are you the president?
No. My husband is the president.
Oh.
I am the treasurer / secretary.
Well,
And
that
I do,
makes sense.
the secretarial
Control
stuff.
the money.
I was thinking
Yeah.
first lady, but
I'm,
Well, I
well,
was.
that too.
Yeah.
I'm
The
jack
whole
of all
thing.
trades.
So
Basically,
which one
you
of
do
these
all the
cars are
work.
yours?
This one here,
Oh,
this
that
beauty.
baby's yours?
Yeah.
All right, I love that.
Yeah.
Nice, man. What is it? A 70?
It is a 68.
That's a
Chevy
68?
Very good.
It is. It's a 68 Chevy C10. Hey,
Hey, and with her
It's a
hand on the
C10.
hip to boot, man. I mean, she's got it
She's
together.
getting sassy.
I know.
She is getting sassy up there.
Yeah.
So let's talk about what you guys are doing because you're having an event, I know,
Yes.
and that you want to raise toys, make sure everybody in our community gets something on Christmas, right?
Have you ever been to the Flinn Springs Inn?
I have not.
It's up old Highway 80, and
I love
it's,
old
it's
Highway
right
80.
there in the Flinn, and it's just like it looks like a log cabin-ish kind of a building, and they have everything there:
the
bikers,
best
cars,
Sunday
trucks.
breakfast.
Yeah.
Sounds like my kind of place.
Great breakfast, and you guys are hooked up with the Flinn,
Yes.
with Rhea and her crazy crowd,
Yes.
and that's going to be next Saturday.
Next Saturday from 9 to 4.
So pretty much the whole day.
Yes.
And so
yes,
what do
sir.
we do?
We are going to have a car and bike show.
Mm-hmm.
We're giving out trophies. We're going to have a horseshoe tournament, toy drive, activities for the kids, face painting, jump house.
This is a big party.
Yeah.
A big old
yeah.
party. And you want people to bring toys, I guess.
Yes, and bring your vehicles.
And bring your cars.
So
Yes.
if it's going to be a $30
$30 day show.
of
Yes,
with the
sorry.
unwrapped toy. All the toys are going to go, and we team together with the
Scarlett's Kids Foundation. They're a local nonprofit that started up just a few years ago, and they help hospitalized children.
Okay.
But now,
All right,
April,
good.
if I just wanted to show up and I didn't want to bring a hot rod and I didn't really want to, enter the contest, I could just bring an unwrapped toy
Absolutely.
and I wouldn't have to spend $30.
And come enjoy the show.
I
come
only
look
say
at the
that
cars.
for a lot of people that are not into the car, but they do want to give back, but they,
Yeah.
Yeah.
so
You
they
don't
can
necessarily
show.
have to be a car show person to come
No.
donate to
But
you
bring a
guys.
toy.
Correct.
Bring the toy.
You do any raffles?
And your kids.
Yeah.
You do any
We're
raffles?
doing some raffle baskets. Yep.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And you can buy tickets for that.
Yes, sir.
Dave,
Absolutely.
do my eyes deceive me, or do I see your name on a poster over here?
I don't know. It's my name
I see
on a
Rod
poster.
Knocker's Car Club be showing 100 cars, and
Oh,
Dave
yeah.
Stahl from KUSI will
Well, of
be
course.
your master of ceremonies.
It's on my way home. I mean, I stop. In fact, I'm going there for breakfast probably when I leave here. But
Really?
it
Very
is.
nice.
Oh yeah, but come here. We got to look at this.
Yeah, let's look
Come
at this.
over here, bud.
Yeah,
Come
let's
over
look
here.
at this baby.
Now, this is a rat rod, but this is not your normal rat rod because you didn't get carried away and slam it and put the hand. You just went to the wrecking yard and found a bunch of parts and pieces and had fun.
Yes, I did.
And he put some new tires on.
Look at the door. Look at
New
the inside
tires.
of the door panel on that passenger door.
Oh yeah, it's an old sign. This one's a Castrol sign.
Yes,
This
it
one's
is.
Castrol.
They're
And
all
this one is
recycled.
another
So
sign.
now this
So
one
you
we
just
can
took the
ask you,
two-
how much money do you have wrapped up in this bad boy?
Maybe 3,000.
3,000 bucks. How's it run?
Like a champ.
Like
Yeah.
a champion?
Hey, you can't beat these old straight sixes. Hey,
Yeah.
you see your buddy on the radiator?
Oh, the rat rod.
Yes.
Gotta have
The
a hood on
radiator
it.
rat.
You gotta have a hood ornament.
And
There's your
check his overflow bottle.
Oh my gosh, it's a beer keg.
Yes, it is.
You're
It's a Heineken.
It's a
Ah,
Heineken.
he's even
Oh, one of the
picky.
little mini Heinekens.
yeah,
Yeah. I know. Those are awesome.
well,
so
let's get-
okay, so let's remind.
We got time or
we're
we done?
We got about 10 seconds.
10 seconds,
How
okay.
about 30?
No.
We'll give you 30.
Let's talk about the event. That's more
Yeah,
important.
talk about the event. Remind us where to
hits,
go.
runs, and
Cover
airs.
Come on, kids.
What is it?
What?
Pipe up
Hits,
now.
runs, and airs.
Come on,
Where,
pipe
when,
up
and
here.
how.
It is Saturday, December 10th, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the Flinn Springs Inn in El Cajon.
Okay, so next Saturday.
Next Saturday.
Be there
Pretty
and
much
be square.
all day
Exactly.
long in El
All day
Cajon.
long, yes.
Flinn.
The
Flinn.
The Flinn.
Flinn.
The
Yeah.
Flinn.
But it's called the Flinn. You can't miss. Big wooden building on the right-hand side, and look for all the cars and bikes, and all these guys will be here.
All right, and the idea is to help out the
Raise
kids
kids. Yeah.
Yes.
who are in the hospital right
Yes,
now and
correct.
otherwise might not have a toy.
Yes.
All right, you guys are awesome.
December 10th.
December 10th. That's a,
Yes.
a week from yesterday.
That's
So
right.
next
That is
Saturday.
correct.
Yes, sir.
And what school did you guys go to?
El Cap.
El Cap.
El
There you
Cap
go.
fan.
So all El Cap should be there next Saturday.
Who was your favorite teacher?
You know, I had a few.
That's
We
nice.
had a few.
You know
Too many to pick.
Isn't that nice in high school when you have a few favorite teachers?
That's right.
Huh?
That's
All
right.
right, you
We're
guys.
also going to have a live band.
And
Oh,
live
band.
music.
There
Yeah.
you go. She's singing.
Yes.
Oh, are you?
Absolutely.
Can you give us a little tune? Here, sing us out.
Sing. Go ahead,
Sing
give
us out.
it
Go ahead.
She did that well. I
Don't
like
get any
it.
better than that. All right, we'll see you in a minute. David, thank you.
Let's hear it for the Rod Knockers.
You got it, the Rod Knockers. Very good. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was